Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Snapchat forgot password. So, if you have forgotten your Snapchat password, I'll show you how you can reset your Snapchat password step by step so you can get back into your account quickly. Open up your Snapchat application, and if you're logged in into your another account, log out first so you can access the login screen. On the login page, look for the option that says Forgot Your Password. Tap onto it. Then Snapchat will ask you how you would like to reset your password. You can choose either email or phone number. Select the method you prefer. And then inside here, if you have chosen email, check your inbox for message from Snapchat with a reset link. If you chose SMS, check your text message for verification code. Follow the instruction in email or enter the code to move forward. Once you open the reset code or enter your code, Snapchat will ask you to create a new password. Make sure it's unique, strong, and something you haven't used before. Confirm the password to finalize the reset. That's it. You should now be able to log back into your Snapchat account using your brand new password. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.